Welcome to Credit Recovery, the show that advocates for the empowerment of Canadian consumers, promoting financial literacy, discussing all topics of credit, finances, career, and businesses, and more. I'm Kevin Hodge. Today we're talking about disputes versus paralegal-backed audit. So we want to jump right into this. Now, to understand how to unlock the credit bureaus is to understand two things. Number one, you have a credit report. Number two, you have a credit file. Now, under Section 12 of the Consumer Reporting Act says that a consumer has the right to disclosure. What that means is that you have the right to the information inside your credit file. It also says that a credit bureau must maintain information about you in the credit file. And it also says they must use the best evidence possible. The Consumer Reporting Act also says that a credit bureau must not report any information that is not capable of being produced under Section 12. I hope this video was informative and it provided you some direction when you're disputing the accuracy or completeness of your credit file and credit report. Our process is paralegal backed, and you can ask the credit repair companies if they do that. When we go after the negative items on your report, our paralegal engaged letters carry serious weight. Today's episode is brought to you by Lendit, and Lendit is a consumer guide that provides information to consumers so they know where to go when they are shopping for credit based on their score so that they can stop getting dinged on their credit report and increase their chances of getting approved for credit. Thanks for listening to Credit Recovery. Before we go, be sure to show some love to your favorite podcast by leaving us a review. Stay tuned next week for our next episode. Thanks for tuning in.